So this is how the bucket system works. It's full of perlite. The buckets are about, 14, 15 inches tall. So I put fluid in there that goes up halfway. So the fluid's running about 7 inches, plus or minus an inch or two. Bring it up higher, you'll get the green funk growing on it quicker. Keep it down low and you won't. The roots go down into the fluid. Not a bunch of them, it's quite surprising. And most of the roots will stay up high. That's where all the air is. So you get this lush growth. As long as nothing blocks up the hose, like your sand, or the hose doesn't get squashed, plugged off, the plants won't run out of water as long as you keep your nutrient tanks full. These go to different gardens. And they've all got filters inside your garden. And that keeps the fluid clean to where it don't get plugged up. If you don't put a filter in there, your perlite will plug it real quick. When it rains a lot, you'll get a backflow back into this tank right here. So we did drains on every garden to where it gets so much, and then it's got to drain out the side. Even the buckets has got them. If you want, like this tomato plant over here, my drain is 1 inch above where the water stays. I'm only going to do 2 buckets on this system. And then these over here, you can get like, inch and a half, 2 inches of rain before they drain. So, we'll do some more.